everybody, it's Katrina. So I am just getting in from vending day 2, and it's been a good day. Again, I had some sales today, so of course I'm going to keep pushing it and keep getting out there to get these baskets sold. Don't have a whole lot left, but I'm going to get them all sold. I'm determined anyway. Good day today. I do have some pointers and tips for things that you should be aware of. Although there are Easter baskets out there tailored for adults and things like that. All of my Easter baskets were pretty much tailored for kids. And that's just what I chose to do this time around. Except for, I think I have one basket that I did for a 20-year-old. Anyway, long story short, had a little old man stop by my booth today. And he said, I saw you out here at Valentine's and was hoping, I hope she comes back. And he said, so when I saw you out here today, I was, she did come back. So, one thing that you hear Boss Lady Fee all the time say is consistency, consistency, consistency. And it is true. I plan to utilize that spot until they tell me I can't use it anymore. Anyway, he said, I need a basket for my wife. So I said, well, all of my baskets are pretty much for kids. And he says, that's okay. And he started looking on the tables and everything, and then he picked out a basket. And he says, I want this one. And it was one of my medium-sized baskets. And he purchased it. And he says, my wife will love this. He said, even though it's for kids, we like to sit down and color together. We like to do these little crossword things, especially the kids ones where you find the food and all of those things. He said, so this basket is perfect. And he said, and it's got some snacks in it for us. So we're going to have us a snack word buying night and call it all costs. And I thought that was just so cute. Man, probably in his 80s. And I don't know the state of mind his wife is in. I didn't get a chance to meet her because she wasn't with him. But my point is even if you make something for specific people or a specific group range, don't be surprised if someone out of that range enjoys those things too. Because there are a lot of people that are kids at heart and will enjoy your basket even if they don't have kids. So get out there, show what you have. I also had another purchase. This was yesterday, and I didn't talk about it, but I had a lady come by yesterday, and she wanted a basket for a 7-year-old. Well, I got those all day long. Got baskets for 7-year-olds. So she picked out the one she wanted. It was for a boy. And she informed me that he was 35 years old, but he had autism. So he functioned as a 7-year-old. So her basket, although appropriate for his mental age, was a kid's basket. And she was able to purchase that basket for him. So, you never know who you're selling to. So get out there, put your stuff out there, and sell it. You might be helping somebody. You might be fulfilling somebody's dream of a snack date night. Or you might just be making a kid happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you for all of your support. And you know what I always say, because it is extremely important. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Bye-bye.